Greta. He had all the toys a boy could ever want. But there was one thing he really wanted, a younger sister. When he finally got a younger sister named Greta, she too got all of the toys she wanted. But there was one thing she was missing, a teddy bear, until one day her mom came home from the store.
Oh, Greta, I have a surprise for you from the store.
Hi, Mommy. What is it? I can't wait to see it.
Wow, I saw something that I couldn't just leave at the store, and I knew that you'd love it.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
All right. It's a teddy bear.
A teddy bear? I've always wanted one. I love it, Mom. Thank you so much.
Oh, don't worry, honey. Why don't you play with it while I make you a snack?
Wow. I've always wanted a teddy bear. I think I'll name you Teddy. You're going to be my teddy bear forever. We're going to be best friends.
I thought I heard you playing in here. What's that?
It's my new teddy bear. Teddy. Mommy got it from the store today.
Can I see it? Give it to me.
No, it's mine.
You named him just a toy.
Leave me alone. I'm trying to play, Gretel. You have your own toys.
No, I'm older, so I make the rules.
No.
Give it over.
Go away.
Give it to me.
Ah! Gretel's bugging me. He won't leave me alone. I don't know what to do.
Kids, stop. You're always fighting. That's it. You have to solve your problems yourself. Your grandpa's visiting and he's sleeping downstairs. So be quiet and cut it out.
See, Greta?
Greta and Greta fought over the teddy bear. They pulled. And so finally,
This is all your fault. See what you did? You ruined my teddy bear.
It's your fault. You didn't let me see it.
You ruined everything.
What's all this crying about? You're making so much noise.
You ruined my teddy bear. He was my favorite toy.
You had it for like 2 minutes.
Grandma, what do I do?
Well, Greta, you don't have to touch your sister's toys.
I'm sorry, Grandpa.
The person you should be saying sorry to.
Sorry, Grandpa.
It's okay, I guess. But what are we going to do? How do we fix it?
What could we do? Maybe we could stitch it back together.
Grandpa! No!
Yes, I do. Let's get to work.
for hours, Grandpa, Greta, and Greta worked on stitching the teddy bear back together. They spent the whole afternoon on it. In the evening, the teddy bear looked as good as new.
See, if you work together, you can do anything.
You're right. Look, it's heavy. It's all.
Thank you, Grandpa. I'm so happy.
Greta, I'm really sorry that I broke the teddy. I didn't mean to. I just really wanted to see it.
That's okay. I guess. I should have let you see it. I'm sorry, too.
Well, can I see it now?
What? Greta! I'm just playing. Here you go.
What's going on in here?
Nothing!